Alright, 7th grade, let's learn how to use Excel to make a graph. We're going to start out by highlighting this column here, and since our two things we tested for the bread was butter side up and butter side down, we're going to make that one of the columns. So let's make this one butter side down, and the next one's going to be butter side up. Now whatever your numbers are for each of those, you can put them in here. So I'm just going to make up numbers. Let's say that butter side down was 3, and for the toast that had butter on it, butter side up was 7. Okay, and for the non-buttered toast, we're going to put non-buttered top and then non-buttered bottom. And let's say for that we had 4 and 6. And these are just made up numbers. Yours may be different. Okay, to make the graphs you want, all you got to do is highlight the column titles and the numbers, and you'll be in the screen that looks like this. You want to change it to the screen that looks like that, so it's the charts. You can make any type of graph you want, but I recommend using the pie graph, even though you don't have to. I think it shows good representation. You can choose 2D or 3D. I'm just going to go with the 3D, and this graph's going to come up like this. We want it to be more specific, so we're going to make our graph look like that. It's got the headings there for the colors, shows you which color is which, and it also gives you a chart title, and you can make the title of the graph something descriptive. So ours is going to be something like number of times toast lands butter side up / down. And I'll do like that, and we can make the chart bigger and easier to see if you go like that. So there's one of them. You do the same thing for the other one. Click the column headings like that and the numbers. Make the graph. We'll do this again and make it over here. Select this one. Shows the percentages, and this will be number of times non-toast lands up. Let's make a slash. And this was determined earlier when we marked the side of the toast that was the top and the bottom, and then you can make the chart bigger like that. And now you can look at your data in chart form and see if the butter actually makes a difference on which side of the toast lands up or down. And your information will obviously be different than mine, but this is an easy way to make a chart instead of doing it by hand. So, hope this helped.